Hello friends, I have today motherboard to repair. This motherboard model is ZAA X32 model. Okay, in this problem is no power or power on and suddenly power off. Okay, I want to show this one. This one I solder to this on off switch. I touch this one to ground for motherboard power on. Okay, see this problem. This is my power supply. I give this power. See, now I try to turn on. Check this problem. See, try to turn on, but it turn off automatically from motherboard. Okay. Now I do one thing. I hope to check with my multimeter diode mode this Earl coil impedance. Okay. Now I introduce this coil one by one. This is a 5 volt, 3 volt, 1.2, 1 volt S5 is a 2.5 volt. This both two coil are GFX core voltage. This one 1.05 GFX. This is a 1.35 volt GFX. This one VCCSA. This one VCO. This one VCCGT. This one 1 volt S5. Okay, now I add my multimeter to diode mode. Yeah. I do my red probe to ground and I check one by one this coil. Okay, now I check 5 volt. See, impedance is very good and 3 volt. See, impedance is very good. Okay, 1.2 volt RAM voltage. See, impedance is very good. Okay, 1 volt S5 line. Impedance is very good and 2.5 volt impedance is very good. GFX core. Check with this cap. See, very good value and 1.05 GFX. Impedance is very good and this one 1.35 volt GFX. Yeah, impedance very good. Now I check VCCSA coil. See, value is good. Okay, now V coil value is good. Now VCCGT. Okay, all coils impedance is okay. Now we go to next step with DSO. Okay friends, now I start to check in one by one this coil output line with DSO. DSO is in trigger mode. Okay. Okay. Now I solder 5 volt line to wire and it connect to DSO. Okay. See what is different. Yeah. Our 5 volt line is good. Okay. Now I solder this wire to 3 volt. See, this is 3 volt coil and check DSO. Yeah, 3 volt line is very good. Now wire is soldered to 1.2 line. Okay, check DSO and now turning on it. See, this line is good. Okay, see, this is 1 volt S5 line. Okay, see, yeah, this line is good. Okay, yes. This one 2.5 volt line. Yes, sir. Turn on it. Yes. Again, yes. This line is good. Okay. Now I solder this wire to VCCSA line. See my DSO and I give power and now turning on. See what is the problem? Main problem is VCCSA line have voltage drop problem. Okay. Also, I think Presley want to replace this DrMos and again check. Okay, now I DrMos replace is done. This is the old one. This one is new one. Now I give power and turn on machine. See, I think my job is done. Okay, amp is very good, and I hope to this mother plug to case in and check display. I plug this motherboard to case in. Now check it display come or not. Yes, job is done. Display is coming. Thanks for watching this my channel videos. Okay.